Hi guys, tips from the whip. It's nighttime. I just did 2 meetings. Well, one just came from my daughter's school, seeing how this whole school operate, and then I just came from doing like a headshot photo shoot, and I got my Black Wealth class tonight. I'm going to be talking about credit and money, right? What we need to know, right? So here's the thing, guys. If you haven't make sure you like this, subscribe, share this with your friends, right? Share this with your people so they can see and know. This is what you've been praying for. This is what you've been praying for, friends, your whole life. This is what you live for. This is what you're built for. You've been praying for opportunities to knock. You've been praying, guys, for opportunities to knock on a door, right? Opportunities, guys, to knock on your door. You pray at night, Jesus, Lord, please let an opportunity come where I can leave my job. Please, God, let an opportunity come where I can make more money. Please, God, an opportunity so I can get a better man. Please, God, let an opportunity come so I can get a better vehicle. Please, God, let me get a... This is how people pray. And you're supposed to pray like that. First of all, that's begging. That's not praying. Okay? But, nevertheless, this is how people pray. And they do it every day, year on year, day on day. Okay? Month on month, week on week. Right? Especially all these Christians who's believing in God and having faith in God, and they believe in God for a miracle and they do no work, so don't worry about it. But this is what you've been praying for, guys, your whole life. You've been praying for new doors to open for you, guys. Here's what one of my friends said, one of my business partners said. He said, people been praying for doors to open up, but when the door presents itself, they turn their back to the door. So it's like, why pray for an opportunity so when the opportunity comes, you turn your back towards the door? That don't make no sense. Open the motherfucking door and go through the motherfucker. Right? You prayed for an opportunity. So why you not taking the opportunity? I told this lady that called me today, I said, if you've been following me, and you are doing nothing about your finances, and you're doing nothing about your situation with all the programs that I have, that I offer at every level for everybody's budget, and you're not in nothing, you deserve everything that you get. That means you've been praying for an opportunity and you don't take an opportunity to learn something new. Every turmoil, every headache, every heartache, every constipation, every butt ache, you deserve it. You deserve every bullshit that comes to you. Because here's the thing. Now you know. Right? I posted on my Facebook. I said, now, in this day and age, there's so many opportunities to make money that nobody should be living check to check anymore. Being broke now is a choice. Being broke, guys, is a choice now. This is a choice. You choose to be broke. You're broke because you choose to be broke. Like I said, especially if you're following me, especially if you know you can make money on your cell phone, especially if you know that there's opportunities for me to learn about money, right? Learn about credit, learn about, business. And you don't take the opportunity, every headache, every constipation, every heartache, every disease, every condition, you fucking deserve. Period. Because you are not taking action for your future or your family's future. So that means you're making your kids suffer. You're making your great-grandkids suffer. You're making yourself suffer. You're making your spouse suffer. And you should suffer for that. Because here's the thing. All we need, I'm running an ad right now on Instagram. All we need, guys, is an example of success. All we need is someone to say, here's how it works. Here how it goes. Like, I want to open up a tax office. I don't know how to do it, but I know someone that knows how to do it. Right? They're going to charge me to show me. So I'm not going to say, oh, I want to do it, but I don't want to pay her $2,000. I don't want to pay her $1,000. I don't want to take the test. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. Then I don't want to do it. Then don't worry about it. Then don't say I want to do it. Right? It doesn't matter the price for your future, guys. You should be willing to pay anything for your future, for a better and a brighter future. You should be willing to pay anything for that. But if you're not willing to pay anything for that, everything you get, everything you don't get, you deserve. Point blank, period. Simple as that, guys. So opportunity is knocking, right? But here's the thing about opportunity. It's only a small window. Opportunity has a small window. Opportunity, guys, has a small window. What happens is opportunities shift, right? Opportunities change. See, people wish for opportunities or pray for opportunities that's easy. Oh, I want something that's easy, that I don't have to work for, that I don't have to put work in, that I don't have to put money towards. Okay, then stay at your job and continue doing what you're doing. Because any person that want to be successful or is trying to strive to be successful is willing to sacrifice time, is willing to sacrifice money, is willing to sacrifice energy, is willing to sacrifice their family for a better future. The people that say they don't want to do nothing, stay right at your job, and everything you don't get, you deserve, and everything that you do get, you deserve. Simple as that. Because if you want to continue to suffer, that means your children have to suffer because your dumb ass. That means your husband has to continue to suffer, or your wife has to continue to suffer because they don't know the way. They don't know a better way, right? But you're seeking a better way. And you don't take the opportunity. You deserve all the bullshit you get. You deserve all the constipation and all the sickness and everything that you get. Because you're making your kids sick. You're making your children's future sick. You're making you and your husband sick because you're not taking opportunity. Right? If I didn't take this opportunity that my cousin showed me when, let's say about 6-7 years ago, she showed me network marketing. She said, take a look at this. She said, this is a way for you to become your own boss and not work for somebody else, work for yourself. And I said, oh, I'm all for it. I didn't know nothing about business or nothing, but I took a look at it. Now, of course, $500 to get started. I had to have her help me pay. She paid $250. She paid $250. $250, and I paid the other $250, which I had to get from my husband. But I got it. I said, wow, if this is an opportunity to help me and my family, then why not take the opportunity to help me and my family? That's all I was thinking about. Now, it took, another 3-4 years to actually change my life. But thank God I did it. Because if I didn't, I'll still be at that dead-ass job with dead coworkers, with dead supervisors, dead clients, and dead money. Dead energy. That's exactly what would have happened to me. Right? I would have stayed dead. I would have been destitute. I would have been down. I would have been out, and I wouldn't have had nothing. And my kids wouldn't have had nothing. My husband wouldn't have nothing. Simply because I didn't make the right decisions. That's how it works. But thank God, I was open-minded. That's why I said I can help broke people. I can't help broke-minded people, because broke-minded people, they not open-minded. See, a broke person is open-minded because they know they broke, and they're like, you know what? I'm willing to do something to change this shit. But a broke-minded person feel like they know everything. They feel like they got everything. So they don't need to do nothing. They can figure everything out by themselves. Okay, broke-minded person, keep being broke then. Your kid's gonna be broke. Your husband gonna stay broke. Your kids gonna stay broke. Your grandkids gonna stay broke. Your sisters, your aunt, your husband, your cousins, everybody around you gonna be broke now. Because you. That's why I said, if you're following me and you haven't done nothing new, you haven't joined a program I'm in for $20, $27, $500, $1,500, whatever it is. I got programs for every budget. And you didn't take action on nothing, you deserve every fucking thing you don't get. And you deserve everything that's bad or whatever that you do get. But you got to make a fucking decision. Make a goddamn decision, guys. This is what you've been praying for. You've been praying for opportunity to win. But you rather continue to lose. Shame on you. Shame on you that you don't take action. Shame on you that you're going to keep allowing your family to be in turmoil. Shame on you that y'all can't go to Disney World. Shame on you that you and your family can't have a good Christmas. It's a shame on you. It's a shame that you ain't doing nothing new to get something new, to go somewhere new. It's your fault. You can't blame nobody. Don't blame no white man. Don't blame no government bullshit. Don't blame no job for giving you no raise. You deserve every motherfucking thing that you get from here on out. Tips from the whip, guys. PayLikeTanisha.com.